In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a post and earn points using the Binance, Square, or Tradersleague trade sharing widget. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, sharing your insights can be a rewarding experience both intellectually and, as we'll see, potentially in terms of earning points. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open the Binance app on your device. If you haven't already installed it, you can find it on your preferred app store and sign in with your Binance account. Once you're in, look for the Square tab. This is where all the engaging discussions and posts from fellow traders are housed. It's a vibrant community space designed to allow you to share market insights, strategies, and connect with others. Once you're on the Square tab, you'll notice a plus button. This is your gateway to creating your own post. Tap on this button to begin. Now you'll want to write about your recent trading activities or share your unique market insights. Think of this as an opportunity to showcase your understanding of the market, whether it's a detailed analysis of a specific trade or your thoughts on broader market trends. Make sure your content is clear and informative. The goal is to engage others with quality insights. As you compose your post, be sure to include the hashtag #TradersLeague. This is important as it ensures your post is categorized correctly and reaches the right audience interested in the Traders League discussions. It's also key to earning points as it aligns your post with the Traders League topic focus. A picture, as they say, is worth 1,000 words. So for the next step, go ahead and add a screenshot to your post. This could be an image of your trade, a chart illustrating your point, or any relevant visual that complements your text. It not only makes your post more visually appealing, but also helps others quickly grasp your insights. Finally, it's time to share your wisdom with the world. Hit the post button and there you have it. Your thoughts and analysis are now part of the conversation, but it doesn't stop there. Your post's engagement and perceived quality will contribute to earning points. The more people interact with your post, by liking, sharing, or commenting, the more points you stand to earn, making this an interactive and potentially rewarding activity. So there you have it. A straightforward yet effective way to engage with the Binance community, share your insights, and earn points while doing so. Remember, the quality of your content and your engagement with the community are key to maximizing your rewards. Happy trading and posting!